How to upload HD videos to TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can upload high definition videos on your TikTok account. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first thing first, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So you might have noticed that you have a particular video on your gallery, but when you upload them to TikTok, you notice that the resolution is a bit low and the quality is just not what you wanted it to be. So if you want to upload HD videos on TikTok, that is also exactly possible. For that, you have to come back and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now just go about creating a normal post as you would do. I'll go ahead and select the upload button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here I'll just select a random video which I want to upload to TikTok. Once you select a video, you can make all of your necessary changes over here and tap on the next button at the bottom right. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to look for the option called allow high quality uploads, so make sure that this is turned on. Now keeping also in mind that this option may not be available for all devices. It is only available in some of the flagship devices such as iPhone and the latest Galaxy, which has flagship devices specifications. So if your device does not support flagship performances, then you will not be able to find this option. If you are using a mid-range or a lower budget phone, then it is most likely that this option is not going to be visible to you. But then you just want to go ahead and turn on this toggle if you do have the option, and tap on the post button right over here in order to post this video in high definition format. And this is simply how you can upload HD videos to TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.